So I know the world's seen this clip before. So in this video, I want to show you what this dog looked like at the very beginning and some of the steps that we went through to get this dog to this point, to where he works in unison with the children, or really anybody that he's meant to guard. Training with Kobe was just one of the best experiences of my career, really. Just watching him from the beginning to the end is such an experience. So I hope you guys enjoy it and get to see that, hard work, dedication, it all pays off in the end. Take a look.
Kobe, man, it's your first day of class. So I haven't done anything with this dog ever. So, got him tennis balls. I'm just gonna see what he wants to do. See if he likes balls. So far, not interested, but that's what we're here to do. Build the dog up. No? Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'll set the camera up in a minute. So it's his first day. He's never done anything. So we're just kind of seeing what he's about, what his focus is. He doesn't like tennis balls, but he definitely is gonna play tug. Give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Not picking it up yet, which is fine. He literally, he hasn't seen anything. I've never really seen a ball like that. He's never done that kind of stuff. It's more walks and just, just really kind of a mellow upbringing. He runs with the pack, runs with me.
Ooh, people of the internet, you want access to my fan phone number? You can ask me questions about your training process and whatever you got in mind. Make sure you get over to my official page, become a supporter for all types of exclusive content. Don't miss out.
We're just learning. That's what we want. That's what we want. It's okay, go, babe. It's okay, we can play. It's okay, we can loosen up. So that's really all I'm doing is just kind of allowing him to kind of get used to the space, get used to that we just let loose up here. That's what we do. We just kind of let loose up here. That's what we do. Now I should clean up the space if I really want to get him on one thing. But right now I really don't care. I just want him to have fun. That's really all I want him to do. So whatever he really wants to do right now is what I'm doing. It's just part of the philosophy of, let it flow. Just let it flow. So really that's all I'm doing with him right now. It's just showing him that we're just having fun. I'm just having fun. Good boy, Kobe. Good boy, Kobe. Good boy, buddy. see like his drive to play is already going up, you know what I mean? And that's what I want. See, everything is increased. You know, and that's all the point of me bringing him up here was just to get him more engaged in the playing aspect of chasing the ball, and then we can concentrate it on what type of training we really want to do with him. And with him, probably going to be protection work because he's just so powerful. You know, and such a good boy, such a good boy. Right? He's so good. He's very balanced, very good dog. The type of dog that you would really want to train. Very friendly, happy dog. So, you know, a little bit late, you know, than we like to, but it doesn't matter. This is what I'll show you, you know. I'll show you right now. This is his day one. This is day one. Haven't done really anything else with him. You know, imprinting and stuff, obviously, the raising part of it, but no bite work, no anything like that. We haven't done anything, just basic stuff. So today is the first day we've really concentrated on. Come here. Yeah, good boy. His first day he's been up here. He's never been up here. Good boy. He's like 6.5 months right now. But he is a awesome dog. Kobe. So, you know, like I said, really all I'm doing right now is just getting him to loosen up, you know. That's it. All I want him to do right now is have fun. You know that we come up here, we have fun, we loosen up. And then, you know, as we progress, you know, we start to buckle down on what we're doing and we focus in on different things, you know. So, but training is, you know, it's about adaptation. It's about having fun. You know, if you're not having fun, then you're not going to do it well. So, you know, for me, honestly, it's been a while since I've really been able to just take a moment and be with the dog. Honestly, the camera is I still have a damn camera, honestly. But a lot of the time, you know, I don't, you know, because I just want to be with the dog and none of the hoopla that comes with the life that I have now. But, you know, this is what I do. You know, it's just to be around these dogs and spend this time with these dogs, watch him learn, watch him grow, watch his drive build. You know, that's what it's all about, you know. But I understand that so many people are watching and so many people deserve to see this as well, you know. So that's what we're doing today. But it's Kobe's first day today. That's what this day's about, you know. Kobe's first day. Kobe's first day today. He's late to the game, but it don't matter. It's his first day of actual being in the training room. Right, Kobe? So, but I'm gonna train. I want to, you know, I'm glad that he's just doing something. That's all that I want. I just want him to be concentrated on something right now. And right now it's tennis balls. So that's what we're doing. Just let him fly. Not much to it. But I'm going to change it over to see if we can get him playing tug. See if we can have a double day. 2 for 1 day. So let's see how it goes. Possess it, you know, I want him to want to have it. That's what I'm just going to show him now. See how? Now we got possession. There we go. That's all I want. No focus on any type of biting or where he's biting. None of that. All the focus right now is just on play. Just that he wants to play with the play. Yeah. That's it. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Lots of winning. That's it. It's very basic. So unfortunately I'm making the DVD and I can't give you too much. So not going to do much more to this portion. But just know this is literally the first minutes this dog has ever seen this kind of stuff. So that gives you a glimpse into the window. You'll be able to see this dog later. You'll be able to see him a lot later, watch him grow. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. You'll be able to watch a lot. I mean, he's awesome. This is awesome. I mean, it's exactly what he's on. I'm not gonna let him see this. I'll never let it happen. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. How about that for change, huh? That's right. This takes the right time and focus, understanding, patience. I will turn this dog into a superstar. Man, this is what it's all about. The beginning. Stages of dogs training and understanding what type of dogs to train is the first thing. And he definitely makes the cut. He's an awesome dog. Such a dog, such a great temperament. Oh, he's running so good. Look at this. Look at this. We don't really care how you hold it right now, bub. We don't care how you hold it right now, bub. We just want him to feel really in control of the situation. The reason why I'm on the ground is I'm just mocking different situations that he's kind of going to see. I'm just giving him a jump start because I know this dog really can handle it. He's really going to get in there really, really quickly. And we're going to be able to progress with him really, really quickly. I swear on anything, this is his dog's first training experience that he's ever had. He's never played tug in his life. As you saw in the beginning, he didn't know what to do. And now, here we are at a different stage. Oh, we have total commitment. Still basic, you know, very basic. But super happy with him, man. Told you. Just takes a few minutes, give me a few minutes, and I'll get the dog into it. But like I said before, I gotta turn the cameras off and just focus on this dog for like another couple minutes, and then he's done, and we'll bring some other dogs up. But today was about Kobe. That's what I let you guys see today. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. I'm sorry that it was a little while, I was super busy. The last vlog was just kind of about me just, you know, enjoying myself a little bit. So, hope you guys enjoy this one a little bit. And I'm gonna get back to training with this guy, Kobe, man. You're amazing, fella. You're amazing, bro. This is a good dog. This is an amazing dog right here. You're gonna see him go a long way. Promise you. You're gonna do good to the world, bro. Alright. So, done training for the day for a little bit. Probably go back up in a little while later, but today for you guys was about Kobe's first day. And man, he was really good, honestly. I mean, he comes in, that's how, you know, most dogs come in. He's never seen anything like that. He's never really, I mean, he's played ball in the yard, but it's a little different, you know, when he's playing ball with Hulk and, you know, with the other dogs than, you know, by himself in a new room. So, it takes a second for the dog to, you know, get his bearings and you know, get comfortable. But not as long as like a dog that comes in for training. Sometimes that takes weeks. With my dogs, I knew it was just a mere matter of minutes, you know. So glad he took to it. Obviously loves the ball. And you know, he's gonna be great. He's gonna work great. He's gonna do great protection work. I can already see it in him. Just gotta build up the possession, build up his drive, and I mean, he's gonna be great. So. time let him start to go through the window. I'm just gonna walk him up to the window, put his legs in, and I'm gonna bite. That's how we introduce it to him. And then it's gonna go mute from there. Hey! Oh, good boy, first try.
Go ahead, pick your nose. Mining for gold.
I'm just gonna be pushing the buttons like deep, long sand. So, man, let me tell you about Kobe and how proud I am of Kobe. That's the second time. I mean, you guys have seen everything that we've done with this dog. I've showed you, not everything, but the majority of everything that I've done with this dog, I've filmed, for you guys, So you've watched him when, the guys on the page like, oh, he doesn't have drive, this, that, and the third. So you just keep watching, because the next superstar has arrived. He has arrived, and he's gonna do it. And once we get to the obedience part of it, I already know he's just going to excel, man. And he's just going to be another prime example of what we do over here, So, all right. So that was great, man. That was great. He did great. Awesome. Super stoked about that. Right up onto the truck. It's the thing is, people get into this. They get into training with dogs, and you don't have any patience. That's the problem. You really gotta have patience. You gotta build them up to do a lot of things. So it's a process. If you do it right from the start, it makes things a lot faster. So that's what you gotta do.
Get
Sir,
down!
Sir.
No, get down!
So, yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm teaching the dog to focus. So basically, every time he gives me eye contact, he gets a reward. So all I'm teaching him now is basically just the beginning stages of just paying attention to me all the time. He's kind of a distractible dog, but I think he's got it. Like, you see, he looks at the food, and then typically he's going to look up at me in the next 5 seconds, I'd imagine. No, he's playing a different card right now, but dog training is patience, and yes. I'm not trying to give him any type of indication, so I'm not, in the beginning I was giving him a little tug. Yes, you see that focus right there that he's giving me now? That's what I want. But I'm not trying to indicate to him to look up. I'm trying to let him make the decision on his own to look up at me. So in the beginning I'm going to show him a little bit. But as you can see, this is the first time I've ever done this with this dog. And he's already got it down, as you can see. So we're going to just move past this. So all it is teaching the brain, the eyes look at me, the food comes to him. That's how it works. So now I'm going to kind of transition out of food, and I'm going to just play with him with the bites a little bit.
really likes to do. Let me shake it up. Let me get a good catch. Good, strong. That's what he really likes to do. He doesn't truly like the clean part. This is his thing. Watch. You gotta move away. He comes to me. That's what we teach him. Good boy. I move away. He follows me with it. Good boy. Good. Oh, good. Count. Oh, ouch. Good. Oh, ouch. Oh, good. Ouch. Oh, good. 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 Ouch. I let go, follows me with it. Yeah, come on. It's not fun unless you grab that end and I pull on this end. Then it's fun. You gotta hold on to that. So now you're on. Okay. This is what he wants. Yeah. Come on. You shake too. You shake too. I mean, you shake. You shake and I'll shake. Do some counter. Oh, good. Ouch. Good. Good boy. Same thing. Watch it. Let go. He brings it to me. Good boy. That means he wants to engage with me. And that's what I want. This is how we build relationships and train these dogs. Good boy. I'm just trying to do the Kobe cam. Like, what are you doing? Let's do the Kobe cam. You walk, I follow. Come on. So I'm supposed to follow you though. How's that gonna work? No. So you walk. I'm gonna follow you. The Kobe cam. It's the Kobe cam. You're too fast. It's like, what are you doing? Relax, come on, dog.
Over here.
Right there, all right, see? It's good. Give me a handshake. Good job. Good dog. He's 60. Yeah, he's big, so he's gonna push on you. Run up to you first. I'm gonna test him. I'm gonna give him a little bit, right? I'm gonna back up to you. You're gonna send him, and then you're gonna call him off. And he's gonna come back to you. Then I'm gonna come up to you, and I'm gonna try to grab you. All right? So he looks really ready to go. Okay. So here I come. It's like a bullet you can call back, right? Okay. Take control. Ready? If I push the aggression. Ah! Oh! Ah!
Video. That's all it includes. That's all she wrote. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Peace, love, respect in your life. I'm out of there.